Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get mod menu for choices. It's super cool. As you guys can see, there's different options: unlimited keys, unlimited diamonds, no ads, unlimited close, or anti-ban. You guys can definitely check off what you want, and let's get started. And let's do this together. Grab your mobile devices, guys, and head on to settings, and you're gonna click on general. Once you click on general, make sure you click on background app refresh and make sure this is turned on. It's either on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. All right, once background app refresh is turned on, you guys make sure it's on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi cellular data. Go back into your settings and this time click on battery. Under battery, you guys are going to make sure low power mode is turned off. All right, so just make sure it's not green. Once low power mode is turned off, go ahead and click on App Store, and now you guys are going to make sure automatic downloads is turned on. So once automatic downloads is green, and you guys can go ahead and open up Safari now. Now this is the best and the coolest part of the whole method. What you're going to do is go to this website right here. It's called ogmodm.com. I'll bring it closer so you guys can definitely check out the website and write it down, memorize it. This website has many other cool mod menus that you guys can definitely check out at any time. But today we're going to focus on choices. In the app search, you guys are going to click on and type in choices. All right, go ahead and click on choices, stories you play. Once you click on it, you guys can click that red button that says inject now. As you guys can see, it says inject choices, stories you play mod menu. And there are these two icons, as you guys can see, the Android and an iOS icon there just means that this method is compatible with both mobile devices. So that's super cool. So all Android users and ISO users can use this method, and it's super easy. This is 100% free, guys, and as you guys can see, I've done this multiple times. So just keep following through the process of what they're asking you to do. It might ask you to manually verify, so which is completely fine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how right now my mod menu is turned on, and as you guys can see in choices, what I'm dealing with right now versus what I can possibly get by using the mod menu. So as you guys can see, it shows you how many keys and gems and diamonds I have. And now I'm going to go on to the mod menu, click on there, and I'm going to turn on the unlimited keys part right here, as you guys can see, and unlimited diamonds. Now you guys are going to see magic right before your eyes by using this method. It's super easy, guys. By just turning those two switches on, I'm going to open up the choices app, and you guys will see how the keys and diamonds are being loaded for free as we speak right now. So I'm getting unlimited keys and unlimited diamonds by just doing those simple few steps, and it took me less than 2 minutes, guys. This is the newest 2020 method, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and check it out for yourself. Thank you.